trying to succeed where other efforts could not. Cleveland city leaders announced a new goal to make the city lead safe over the next decade.
Now, what makes this different? City leaders say the public and private sectors will be working together, not by themselves. News 5's Jordan Vandenberg joins us live to explain how all of this works. Jordan.
Well, city officials say that this new goal comes as a result of months of collaboration and research, and it also follows a study that was released earlier this month that found a staggering number of Cleveland children with high levels of lead exposure. Lead. It can be on any home, on any street, in any neighborhood, and it can be found in the peeling paint of homes built before 1978. It's how Cleveland children get exposed to the toxic heavy metal. And it's why Cleveland's leaders stood on stage today together.
We are today ready to announce the establishment of the Lead Safe Cleveland Coalition.
The newly cobbled coalition will try to accomplish what other endeavors could not. Comprised of public, private, and philanthropic agencies, the group will work together to reduce lead exposure to recommended levels among Cleveland's youth.
We've all been doing it to some degree, and we've all can demonstrate some success, but we are unable to demonstrate a true sustainable systemic change that we need to make. Should it have happened 10 years ago? Probably so. 50 years ago? Probably so.
The coalition will plan a Lead Safe Summit and help draft updated legislation that leaders hope will be more enforceable and sustainable.
While no one solution fits, we learned that legislation alone will not fix this problem. Putting more money into bureaucracies is not going to cure this problem. We have to be invested in crafting a solution that is going to work for Cleveland.
A recent study found that in 2017, 13% of kids in the city had lead in their blood at or above recommended levels, and that's just kids who were tested. Exposure to the toxin can alter the trajectory of their life and impact their development. Many of those kids live in Councilman Blaine Griffin's ward.
I took it personal. You can't lead people unless you love people. And when I seen that my friends and neighbors and the people that I love and care for and represent in this city are being exposed at that level, it concerned me. It was shocking.
One of the key components of the initiative will be the Lead Safe Home Fund, Griffin says. And by working with landlords instead of against them, the goal can be more attainable.
We're going to be an iron fist with a velvet glove. We're going to work closely to hold them accountable, but at the same time, we're going to try to identify ways to incentivize the fact that they should be able to make their property sustainable and lead safe.
Well, it's important to note that there are no firm timelines, but together the coalition will begin working together to hopefully draft some proposals for the council to consider. Reporting live downtown, Jordan Vandenberg, News 5.